Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to boil an egg. For that you need an egg, water and ice for the water bath. Firstly, fill a pot with enough water to cover the eggs about 1 inch. Bring the water to full boil like 212 Fahrenheit. Reduce the heat to low before gently placing the eggs in the pot. Just use skimmer or spoon to avoid cracking the shells. Once the eggs are in, immediately turn the heat back up to a boil and start your timer. Cook the eggs based on your desired doneness, like 6 minutes, 6 minutes and a half, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and finally maximum 14 minutes for traditional hard-boiled eggs with a firm white and yolk. Once the eggs have cooked your preferred time, immediately transfer them to a bowl of ice water. Let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes to stop the cooking process and make the peeling easier. Just tap the bottom gently to crack the shell and start peeling from the bottom where the air pocket is to easily lift the membrane and shell. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.